Alright, here's the 99 528i. New reservoir, new hoses. This is what the old hoses look like. They leaked like a sieve. Really hammered. That one wasn't that bad. And the head gasket. Valve cover gasket. These are hard, brittle. And these are the coils. And this is the nice new stuff. New valve cover. And there is the valves, or where the valve cover gasket's gonna go. What a day, what a day. Yeah, so the leak was back over in here. Yeah, I can see where the leak was now, man.
See?
Yeah.
I told you, man.
Yeah.
You really can't see it sometimes, you know, just kind of...
Just slow bleeder.
Yeah.
So, there's my quick little YouTube for this guy. But those hoses were bleeding all over that alternator. And it jettisoned the serpentine belt. And here's the new tools for the swapping the serpentine belt, which I bought after we did it. See it? Take a look, man.
Huh? Oh wow, that's it?
Yeah, that's the new stuff. Alright, gang. It's not that bad of a job when you got help.
14, 15. Oh yeah.
These guys are all worn out. They go like right there. And oh, hey, hand me one of those rubber things. So you can see how brand new this is. It's all flexible and nice. Here's the old hose. See, these things are brittle, ready to blow apart. They're cooked. And there's the old gasket. That gasket doesn't look that bad, but the rest of it looked hammered. Alright, so fun never ends. Reservoir, hoses, valve cover gasket, and hopefully no more leaks. Serpentine belt last week. We will catch you on the next YouTube.